Will there ever be one man, one vote in South Africa?
No.
Isn't that why you are almost certain to be faced with a bloody war?
No, but there's not one man, one vote anywhere in Africa.
20 million black people in your country
your
wish
problem
to have
is
the vote.
It is no use. You keep on arguing about 20 million blacks. And I say to you that if that is your argument, you do not understand the situation.
That is not how the blacks see it, Minister.
And apparently you refuse to see it that way. Now, I tell you, I'm giving you the facts. What concept have you got of Africa and the struggle of the Africans? What have you done for Africa? What have you done to Ghana, your glittering example of independence? Where is it today? Where is there freedom in Africa? Do you want this whole southern part to be overrun by this kind of thing? No newspapers, no freedom of expression. Why do you think things will develop differently here under a one-man, one system than it did in the rest of Africa? Who gives you the right to be intellectually dishonest?
Sir, all I am doing is putting to you what many black people we have spoken to have told us, and they have said one thing.
Now, why don't you ask the black people to whom you have spoken? Why don't you ask them? How would they compose their state?